Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have VECHAIN daily update. We are going to see some very nice price targets right there and some support levels in case we correct a little bit, which is pretty healthy. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription because you will get automated signals on when to buy and when to sell your altcoins. This is something revolutionary, guys, and of course you will get the educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and personal guidance. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more. So let's see, guys, some very nice things right there. Of course, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's see some pretty nice things. You can see that there are many lines right there, okay? And I don't want to confuse you guys. I will just redraw the Fibonacci retracements. I will delete every possible Fibonacci retracement, and here is how I found those price targets and the support levels. First, I will draw a Fibonacci from the bottom to this top we are right now. So I found the first one, the minus 0.236, 11.8, and some support levels. And then afterwards, I will draw another Fibonacci retracement starting from the top to the bottom to find important resistance levels. And here we are, guys, almost there. Here we are right there. Okay, so that's how I found all these price targets right here. In case we go upwards, guys, from here, we are going to 11.6, 11.8, of course 13.1, 13.2, and 13.7, and we have some support levels in case we correct a little bit. 9.4, 9.2, 8.6, and 8 cents are our major support levels for now. Okay, so we found them, and you can see the volume is increasing a little bit, tends to increase right there. It is looking good. Let's see the MACD. The MACD here had a bullish cross, very nice, and we are about to approach the 0.04 on the MACD. The previous high right here formed back on 26 July after a bearish cross and a little bit crash down right here on the MACD. Nothing important though, because we didn't approach the bottom levels right there. And of course, now we want to go all the way upwards. Let's go quickly to the RSI and on the commodity channel index. You can see that on the RSI, we are now above the 70 on the 4-hour frame. What we want to see now is maybe a pattern like this, so we can follow a bullish, very bullish pattern, and of course an impulsive wave, right? And we want to see that in order to reassure that we have an impulsive wave and we will be going upwards. For now, for the stochastic RSI, we have an overbought situation, commodity channel index in an overbought, RSI in an overbought situation. So if we see a correction like this going on right there, do not worry, guys, okay? Do not worry. We see a little bit of a correction, the 4-hour frame. It is something very healthy to happen. And of course, you can see that now, for the time being, after the bullish cross between the 20-day MA, the yellow line, and the red line, we have actually the 50-day MA as support level, now the 20-day EMA. You can see back there, we had the 50-day EMA and now the 20-day EMA. So everything is looking good. Let's go now to the daily. On the daily frame, this is where we will find if we have a clear impulsive wave, because on the 4-hour frame, guys, yes, we did, but on the daily frame, this is where we will know exactly if we have an impulsive wave or not, okay? And you can see that we are along the top line of the Bollinger bands. The RSI is above the 70, the commodity channel index is above the 100, and of course the stochastic RSI is above the 80, okay? So 3 out of 3 risk metrics on the daily frame and on the 4-hour frame are in an overbought situation. What we are doing here, what we need to do, first of all, book some profits, guys. If you have some profits, just book them, book a percentage of them, like 50-60%, okay? Secondly, if this is an impulsive wave, this won't stop here. We might go a little bit down, but we will be going upwards and upwards, making new higher highs and higher lows. But on the daily frame right now, we have an extreme overbought situation. Be careful a little bit. The MACD is looking fantastic. We are going all the way upwards as we wanted to see it on the daily frame, and on the Bollinger bands, you can see we are near the top line of the Bollinger Bands. You can see that. So yeah, we have a high risk, although in an impulsive wave, we just go along the top line of the Bollinger Bands like here, like these guys. For example, VECHAIN on April, you can see how fast it went upwards. And of course, in a normal market, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we correct a little bit. But in overall, guys, we are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. So let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid. We had a buying opportunity right there. Back on 6th August, we had a buying opportunity on 21st July, selling opportunity on 1st August, and of course a buying re-entry here, as you can see the blue arrow right here. So according to the SSL hybrid, we had a buying opportunity yesterday, and now we don't have a selling opportunity yet. We don't want to short our position yet. Let's see how this will happen, and of course let's see how we will progress. It looks bullish, guys, on the daily frame. I can assure you that it looks very, very bullish. Let's go now to VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. You can see on the VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, we managed to go almost at this area of resistance level we had before, guys, in the previous videos. It is something insane, and of course this is the reason we are going upwards, guys, because we totally outperform the Bitcoin. Okay, you can see that we outperform Bitcoin. We might be going even higher. For now, everything is looking very, very good. On the 4-hour frame, we have, of course, a very, very high overbought situation right there. 3 out of 3 risk metrics are in an overbought situation. And of course, on the daily frame, guys, if we go there, on the daily frame, the RSI can go even higher for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. So we have some room to outperform more Bitcoin. This is something very, very good. And well, this is why, guys, we are going upwards. Bitcoin is going insane. VECHAIN is outperforming Bitcoin. And therefore, we go to the price analysis and we see that VECHAIN, of course, is outperforming the USDT chart, and we are going all the way upwards. Let me draw the other Fibonacci retracement we had from the top to the bottom, guys. I don't know why it wasn't saved, but let's redraw that. Here we go, and now we have the beautiful resistance levels we were talking about, and we will discuss how possible it is to go to 11.8 and of course the 13 cents, because it is amazing. If we go there, it would be amazing, guys. Okay, so we want to discuss that, and you can see that VECHAIN is going all the way upwards. You can see that, guys. And of course, we are going all the way upwards, all the way above maybe the 10 cents. We will see that. If we make this as a support level, then the next resistance are the 11.6 and 11.8. Okay, so therefore, guys, if we just correct a little bit, do not worry. This is the support. These are the support levels. And I believe we might correct a little bit before we go down again, because we have an overbought situation in so many risk metrics. The RSI, the commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI. So yeah, I do believe, guys, we might be going down a little bit before we go upwards. In case we surpass all these resistance levels, then we can go of course to 11.6 and 11.8, the next resistance level. Let's see a little bit the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 44,000 Tether USD. Amazing, right? But there is a very, very high resistance level right there. And on the 4-hour frame, we have a very, very high RSI. We were in an overbought situation. Right here, you can see the cat that is smiling right there. All right, here we go. And on the daily frame, you can see that we are going upwards. And we might be getting a bearish RSI divergence with lower RSI. And of course, you can see that we might be going down furthermore. So you have to be a little bit careful. Do not be greedy, guys. Do not be greedy. So of course, if this happens, guys, then it will drag down VECHAIN, but VECHAIN outperforms Bitcoin for now, and we are pretty fine. But if Bitcoin crashes down a little bit, then it can go to 9 cents to 8.6. Yeah, it might go there, and do not worry if this happens. That's why I want you to book some profits right now. Bitcoin can go even higher, but the point here is that we are forming a bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame. Okay, so therefore you have to book some profits right there. You can see the support levels, you can see the major resistance levels in case we just go a little bit above the 11.6, 11.8. everything is in an overbought situation. Be careful, guys, a little bit, but the next price targets for VeChain are the ones mentioned below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Join the monthly subscription to get easy profits, and of course, join the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.